Hi, this is Gary Kreth.
And I'm Jonathan Kreth with Kreth Partners of Cooper Sotheby's International Realty.
And we are here to take a look at this very unique home here in Lakeway. What I'd love to do is find out from you, share with everybody here, what are some of the coolest features about this house? What makes it unique?
One of the biggest aspects to this area is you only have a handful of single-story properties here in the Lakeway community. Also, this property sits on almost half an acre. You've got a lot of land, a lot of elbow room to enjoy all the oaks the property has.
Single-story home, very unique in this neighborhood, almost half an acre, and it's right here in the most beautiful part of Lakeway, right next to the airport and 3 different golf clubs.
Lido Street is in the heart of Lakeway.
Well, take a look at the rest of the home here through the videos and photos that we have. And if you'd like to schedule a private tour to come see this house, all you need to do is click below and schedule your tour.